guys, in today's video I'm doing this very festive, very dramatic 4th of July makeup look. I did something pretty simple last week and I want to do something pretty dramatic this week. So yes, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I had my eyes primed with just a concealer. I used the Tarte Shape Tape and I did apply some tape because I want to create a sharp edge with my shadows. No, never done that before. First palette I'm going to go into is the Colored Rain Cheers to Beauty palette. And I'm going to take this shade right here as a transition. So now I'm going to go into my Sephora Pro editorial palette. I'm going to take this blue and start to buff that in my crease and like really build it up. I'm going to really focus this color in the outer V because I want to do a half cut crease and bring in like the white element. So what I'm going to do is start building up my shape. I'm going to bring it in the crease a bit because I still want blue like in the crease. And if you're wondering, I'm using a bit of a precise blending brush. It's the Morphe M506. It's my favorite for building like deeper colors. Okay, so once I have this shadow the way that I like it, I'm going to cut out my crease. And I'm only going to do it halfway because I want to add in some white to create like a white area, you know? Okay, so once my crease is cut, I'm going to go into the Cheers to Beauty palette again, and I'm going to take the shimmery blue in the palette right there. I'm going to stick this on the very outer V of my eye. I feel like it kind of looks a little bit patchy. I don't really know why it's doing that, so I'm going to stick this shade over it to kind of help. I'm not going to bring the shade up on my crease though. It's just gonna be like right on the outer V. And the shade also has like little specks of like magenta red in it, so it's perfect. And then I'm gonna take this shade right there and I put this on the cut crease part. Oh my god. Do you see that? That's insane. And then once I have that shade on, I'm also going to take some of this shade again and just build up on the outer V again. Because I feel like it needs to blend a little bit nicer. Kind of like mix the two shades, put them right there so they blend really seamlessly. Okay, so that's pretty much the eyes done. I'm not going to do any like wing liner, I don't think, because this look is going to be a lot and I don't want it to be too overpowering. So, and honestly, I don't really like wing liners, so I'm not going to do wing liner. So I just put on some lashes. I use the House of Lashes in Natalia. They're like my favorite lashes in the whole world. They're like perfect for dramatic looks because they still like show off your eyeshadow, like they don't cover it up. And I don't have like the biggest, like most open eyes. I feel like they don't close them off, so I don't know why I'm telling that. But okay, so for foundation I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade 115. Pretty sure this shade will match me because I've been out in the sun a lot. So I mean, not like a lot, but like once a week, you know. So hopefully it matches me. This was my dark shade but it's not anymore. Okay, so I was gonna do, I'm just gonna tell you about this now, I don't know why, but I am. I was going to do like red on the cheeks, but I feel like this look looks really like sculpted. I feel like when I do that, it's gonna make it look a bit too messy and like not put together. So I think what I'm gonna do is save that for a different day and just keep the eyes the same and then do like glitter freckles. That's cute, right? Maybe not. Maybe I won't do that, but I think I'm gonna just keep this look pretty basic, glam, dramaticness. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. And I'm going to use my same damp beauty blender to blend that out. And then to set it in place, I'm going to use my Dermablend loose setting powder. And then once my concealer is all set, I'm going to move back to the eyes. And I'm going to take the same Sephora palette. And I'm going to take this blue shade and run that on the outer V of my eye. I'm basically just going to mirror the same thing as the lid. And then I'm going to take the Cheers to Beauty palette and go into the same silver shade and put that on the inner part. And I am going to spray my brush because it did have a little bit of fallout when I packed it on the brush earlier. So I don't really want to get like my concealer all glittery. So okay, so once I clean up this situation, a little bit of this, I'm going to put some mascara on and then the eyes are all done. Okay, so really quickly I'm going to apply an eyeliner. This is a blue one. It's this Beauty For Real eyeliner in the shade Eyeline. And pop that in my waterline just to like get rid of the skin showing through. It's kind of bugging me. I'm going to go back to the face now, and to bronze, I'm going to use my Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Dolce. I want to kind of have like a warm face to bring in like the red element, you know, so that's just what I'm going to do. And if you're wondering, I haven't really mentioned this in a while, but I don't really like to contour. I'm a bronzer. I don't like to contour. I think it just makes my face look kind of weird, so I don't ever do it. And for blush, I'm going to use my Tarte blush in the shade Party. It's like a nice cool tone pink. I think it'll go nice with the eyes. And then to highlight, I'm going to go back into the Cheers to Beauty palette and take this shade. I've never used this as a highlighter before, but it does say like on the back like eyeshadow and highlight palette, but it's not really showing up very much. And I really liked it because it has like a red shift to it, but it's not really pink to when you swatch it either, so it's kind of weird. I'm actually going to take my Morphe setting spray and just spray my brush to help intensify it because I want to be blinding. This is not enough. Bit better. Okay, so then for lips, I'm going to do something like pretty... I mean, you're gonna guess it. I'm gonna do a red. I'm gonna do a red lipstick because I need to bring some red to this look. Ooh. Okay, so that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't subscribe and like it before you leave. And if you want to see more videos from me, I upload Mondays and Fridays. So if you want to see those videos, then stay tuned. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye. So once I have this color the way that I like it and the shape that I Okay. I love that. Okay. And don't mind my hair. I filmed like 3 videos today. I'm done. Okay, so really quickly, I'm actually gonna apply this eyeliner. It's the Beauty for Real. Beauty for Real. It is the 4th of July. We need to blind. We are the firework. I'm just kidding. Highlighting jokes are not funny. Not anymore.